Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data packs in Minecraft Bedrock. Minecraft Bedrock Edition uses add-ons to customize your game, which function much like data packs in Java Edition. These add-ons allow you to introduce exciting new elements, alter existing mechanics, or even add entirely new creatures and items to your worlds, all without directly changing the game's core code. It's a fantastic way to personalize your Minecraft experience. Finding add-ons is straightforward. Many community websites offer a wide variety of creations. When searching, look for files specifically designed for Minecraft Bedrock Edition, typically identified by their MacPack or Macadon file extensions. These extensions are crucial because they allow for direct import into your game. Always prioritize downloading from well-known and trusted sources to protect your device and game files from potential issues. Once you have downloaded an add-on, installation is incredibly simple. Just locate the downloaded MacPack or Macadon file on your device and open it. Minecraft Bedrock Edition is designed to recognize these files, and it will automatically launch and begin importing the add-on directly into your game. You'll usually see a confirmation message in Minecraft once the import is complete, indicating it's ready to use. To activate your new add-on, either create a new world or edit an existing one. Within the world settings, navigate to the Resource Packs and Behavior Packs sections. You'll need to activate the relevant packs there. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Make sure both resource and behavior components of your add-on are enabled for it to function correctly and enhance your gameplay experience. Enjoy exploring your customized Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.